Hello, today we will guide you through how to add money in XM app. To begin, open XM and sign into your account if needed. Once you're inside, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. The option you need is found through the main navigation, so starting from the home area makes the process easier to follow. Next, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Market. This section gives you access to the trading and account-related areas connected to your wallet and available account options. If your screen looks slightly different, just focus on finding the Market tab in the side menu and select it. After that, move to the top of the page and click on the Sample Wallet. This is the wallet you'll be working from in this walkthrough. Make sure you choose the correct wallet shown at the top, since this determines which account area you'll manage in the next steps. Once the sample wallet is open, click on Manage. This will open the available actions for that wallet and let you continue to the funding options. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second to fully load and then check near the wallet controls. From the Manage menu, click on Deposit. This is the option used to add money to the selected wallet or account. Be careful to choose Deposit and not another action, since several account management options may appear close together. You'll then be asked to select the sample account where you want to deposit the funds. Choose the correct sample account carefully before moving on. This step is important because it makes sure the deposit goes to the intended account and not a different one linked to your profile. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the deposit. At this stage, XM will guide you through the remaining prompts, which may include choosing a payment method, entering the amount, and confirming the transaction details. Read each screen carefully before continuing so you can avoid mistakes and make sure everything is entered correctly. If anything looks unclear during the final confirmation stage, pause and review the information before submitting. It's always a good idea to double-check the selected account and deposit details before completing the process. And that's it. You've now seen how to add money in the XM app using the wallet management and deposit flow.